Have you guys heard of Omnipork? I bet not yet. Me as well. I just learned about this meat alternative like this, and I just bought this a few days ago, and I'm excited to use this in my plant-based food cooking that I'm gonna do in a few days from now. So this is hard as rock because of course I'm gonna have this thawed in a few hours from now for cooking, and I'm gonna take this opportunity as well to do a review. Okay, so this Omni pork has no garlic and onion, vegan, and no GMO. So I'm excited to use this for plant-based dishes that I'm gonna do in a while and in the coming days. So this is like 550 pesos, and it's crumbled already. Okay, it's crumbled. It's not like tofu that it's in a firm bar. Excuse my my dog is asking for his breakfast. So that's it. Wish me luck. I'm gonna tell you what's my impression and the taste of this. Okay. Let me. I'm just going to thaw it. Ollie, wait for me. Okay. So since this is a lot, we're only two people in the house plus our dog. Of course, our dog will not eat this for sure. He likes the real meat. I'm gonna like chop. I'm gonna use like 20 or 30% of this, and this is the only thing that I know. I'm just gonna cut it off, right? And then I'll thaw this part, okay? Wish milk because I don't know what to do with this. It's hard as rock. As yellow. Okay, so I've successfully cut it. I'm going to, here it is. It's like 20 or 30% of what I have. This is what I'm gonna thaw now. I'm just going to use it for anything that I may wish to cook for, okay? So that's it. I'm excited. I'm gonna put this back to the freezer, and this one I'll let it thaw, okay? So this is how it looks. A very, 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 very hard Omni pork. After thawing, we make sure that Omni pork is really fine and soft. So we use knife for that, okay? Of course, depending on the dishes, what you want. This is for the sisig. See, you're not gonna think that it's not meat. With the rice, of course, some sauteed vegetables with, of course, Omni pork, fried rice with Omni pork. So beautiful. This is for picadillo, you know, super sarap picadillo, and my favorite, spaghetti. You're not gonna think that it's not meat there. Also, we made sweet and sour using Omnipork. That's me.